waiting for the station scenes took over a week, but look at the results. Ang ganda. Nagbunga yung effort ng lahat since there was effort na involved, and there's kind of like the passion. Kailangan talaga isinahanap mo when making a project like this. You don't go into project not believing in it or sabihin mo na like hindi ko kaya itong gawin, because you will definitely fail kapag ganun ang ating mindset. So at the end of the day, sino ba ang magkakaroon ng regrets, di ba? So you better think wisely, kasi importante din yun na nag-iisip tayo sa ating mga desisyon. So I am filming this kasi walang tao, pero honestly speaking, I am really scared kasi on the other side walang tao, diba? Okay lang, pero may kita mo nandito Aurora Boulevard. I don't know what it's called, the road, basta ayan na. So on the other side you have the LRT, so dumadaan siya. Oh my god, oh my god, natatakot talaga guys. Oh my god, it is so scary. Like I really don't know what to do, but here we go. Ito ata ang pinakamahabang footbridge na lalakaran ko ever. Mas mahaba pa kaysa dun sa Muñoz, kasi sa Muñoz at least intersection lang yun. Ito hindi talaga. Ang saya lang. I didn't expect na masaya tong ride na to, pero yeah, excuse me. Ayun, so this is actually Marikina na. So wala lang, it is just fun. So if you will zoom here, makita mo yung SM Marikina, and that will be our first stop. I will try to go to Riverbanks. Hindi ko alam kung kakayanan ng ating time, but wala namin posible kasi nandito na tayo. So this is Marikina City, guys. Catch you on the next one. I still imagine like what would my life be kung things stay the same. Nasa Ortigas, ganun. Ay, ayun pala, may Marikina Docos. Finally, after the treacherous walk galing sa LRT station, we are finally here sa footbridge, SM. Pero let's appreciate the view muna ng river. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng ano. Yan na naman, may LRT na naman. Yan lang, video natin. Ganda shit. Woohoo! Nasa ang view of the city from there. Set. Lang, ang ganda lang. Nasa New River. Plano ko talaga guys punta doon sa Riverbanks, pero hindi ko alam kung meron tayong time. Sa 35. And wala pa tayo sa SM. Punta muna tayo SM. Hey. Hey. Ganda shit. Ganda. Okay, so papunta na tayo dito sa SM Kita Kids. Ayan yung bridge, oh. See the bridge, ayun, oh. Ayan yung bridge, guys. I hope you appreciate this still video for a while. Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. So kaigising ko lang mga galong type of video. You know what, term break naman na natin, so why not let's treat ourselves na imbes sa bakasyon, gawa tayo ng vlog and relive the memories. Kasi ay saya pala. So Nagsasalita lang ako para lang meron lang tayong pang ano yung tawag din, montage ganun, parang footage, whatever ganun. So I'm just trying to make the time. Pero yun guys, ito yung bridge. Ito yung nasa harapan natin. Or I think actually the one on the left, that is the ano, the bridge. And it's not a fancy bridge, yung merong truss or may, you know, ano lang siya, regular na bridge lang. Again, another montage. Tapos ito na, another na naman. So, hindi na natin sa loob na SM action, pero somehow the bridge just continues on. Kala ko pababa siya dun sa entrance supposedly, pero I guess not. Pero look at those view though. Look at yung view. Wait a minute, zoom in natin. Shit, Antipolo na siguro yun, ah. I think that is Antipolo Rizal already. So kahit naman doon din, kapag binagtas mo yung LRT, Antipolo na doon. But this is the Highlands. Anyways,